lgetr3llo. Gang, nigga. How that sound?
Damn, nigga.
I chill back smoking wood, cause while I'm all up in the hood. Gas ain't on movie scene, but this shit just like Hollywood. I say my life ain't good, I had to go check the scale. Trello hop outside up in that ride, tell him he do it well. Gang, mission, I been on my mission. Boxes looking like it's Christmas. Get that bag, I keep it poppin'. Play then I knock off your top. Get that bag, I'm finna rack it, double wrap it, that shit stanky. When I throw all them packages, I hear them yelling thank you. I just had to get that money, chasing hundreds. I be real, that's the deal. I always keep it 100, like a track race. I get that bag and I'ma run it. I ain't never for the questions, they always having a son. Say free my dogs about the pound. R.I.P. those in the ground. I got ones that still around, and then still go bust around. They just talking, making sound. Makeup on they face, they clowns. We ain't got time for that shit, we just making money now. They look through the peephole, probably wanna toss a Rico. But we ain't gon' run like Rico, we just gon' blow up like C4. I can't hang with normal people. Chopper paint him like a easel. Keep my eyes sharp like an eagle. In the dark I fight the evil. Gang. Say free my dogs about the pound. R.I.P. those in the ground. I got ones that still around, and then still go bust around. They just talking, making sound. Makeup on they face, they clowns. We ain't got time for that shit, we just making money now.
Just making money now, we back inside the dog pound. And if the niggas wanna get it, we gon' knock them down now. And I ain't even finna play, I hit that nigga up. And if that nigga try to run, I fuck that nigga up. I don't even give a fuck, we making money, boy. Yeah. You know we back inside this bitch, we making money, boy. And if a nigga talking shit, we gotta get it, boy. Nah, I'm just playing, nigga. If that nigga talking shit, that Draco be slaying, nigga. What's good with it? Like, we can pull up to your fucking hood with it. What's up? And I ain't never running. And if that nigga talking shit, I gotta go and gun it. What's good? Boy, we back up dog pound. We in the dog house. We making money, boy.
Say free my dogs about the pound. R.I.P. those in the ground. I got ones that still around, and then still go bust around. They just talking, making sound. Makeup on they face, they clown. We ain't got time for that shit, we just making money now.
Let's go. Niggas talking shit, we know we lit. The hottest in the city. Talking shit, but you ain't fucking with me.